Very good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to present you a tutorial. This is totally a different tutorial. So many of you are very much interested to go foreign or abroad for a better future. So regarding this, I have been thinking for the last few days that I would make a video how to let others know the procedure of job seeker visa, especially for Germany. And basically, maybe there will be many more people who will be interested to go for abroad for a better placement, for better life. And since Germany is one of the few countries and one of the best countries for the future of expats, especially expats from India, expats from other countries, and there are lots of Indian, there are lots of Asian people. They are also working there. They are having their life. So today I am going to show you one of the best tutorial how to find a good consultant, especially that company can help you better, because I have already contacted with them. They are very helpful. And if any of you have already taken some suggestion or some guidance from this company, you can also comment below. And also, if you are satisfied, you can write your suggestion. If you are not satisfied, you can write also your suggestion in the comment box. And also subscribe my channel, because lots of things has just now coming in future. Because if you are subscribed to my channel, you will be getting more and more such YouTubes that can be helpful for your career, also for your better future. Because not many people are so much advanced regarding this type of tutorial, because they are not providing much. I have seen already in YouTube's, there's not many tutorial are there regarding the job assistance to foreign countries, but a few of the company are providing. But I'm not an entity of the company. I'm just providing a few suggestion how to contact with the best guidance available. So let's move to the that particular website, which is I think which is I've already opened that one. You have seen that one. This is called Helios. This is the company which is providing a service for the job seeker visa. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the site called this one. This is the site. And there is also a system that you can, if you want to become a partner with them, you can also earn. Suppose if you want to earn some money by providing some reference to this company, you can also earn. There is the option like partner with us. If you want to become partner with the company, you can also click here. If you can refer a successful persons, you can also if the person becomes successful in getting the things like done, then you can earn a good amount of commission. So first of all, the referee shall only register those students or migration client who have the basic success attitude. Referee shall market all the offered. Referee shall not give guarantees or warranties to students or migration even for visa, granting as visa as the discretion of the embassy or consulate. It doesn't mean that if you refer somebody, you are making a guarantee. It's totally discretion of the embassy. No, Helios or Helios are not. They don't have any right to provide a particular visa, but they will help you. They're a good company. Referee must not provide any advice, counseling, or admission to the client. Referee must not misguide the client. Okay, referee must send as invoice, claim their commission as agreed. Okay, so these things has to be done properly if you want to become a referee. But if you yourself want to apply for a German job seeker visa, you have to enlist your name. First of all, you have to send email. If you want to go for a German job seeker visa, you have to send a mail to this ID, to this contact @helios.com. So these are the things that you have to become a paid subscriber by paying a fees. And for German job seeker visa, what you need mostly is that you have to have a passport. First of all, you have to have a passport. and that passport has to be 10 years or more years old. That is new, or you have to give your motivation letter. You have to give your your certificate. You have to give your sufficient bank account. You have to show that you can provide yourself. You can support yourself whenever you will be in Germany. If you have a relative there, you can show the formal obligation letter. If you have a job already, you can transfer to other sector like PR visa. You can apply for PR visa later, but not before that. If you want to apply for PR visa, like in a job seeker visa, it is mandatory that you cannot work there. You can also look for the visa, but the moment you receive a good job, you have to transfer to particular PR visa, that is entitled to PR visa, permanent resident visa. Then only you can get your things done. But basically during the stay, suppose in the time you have to support yourself with your own money. You have to show your bank account. You have to show your sufficient balance you have. Especially they require at an around Indian currency of 3.5 lakhs in a bank account. You have to show your bank account that you have a sufficient fund. You can show them also a motivation letter. Number one, motivation letter. Number two, your CV, your current CV, your certificate, updated certificate. What exactly you have completed your course, and your one is that your bank account, one is your identity card, one is your passport, and one is everything you have to show. But before you go for a help, it is this company, this Helios. If you get in touch with this company, you can have a good chance of having your things, your papers done properly, because you are totally new. You are totally new. You don't know what is exactly essential for you, or what is exactly things that you have to do. But if you have like that, suppose they will help you all the time. They can give you suggestion what papers you require, what exactly you need for the particular interview, what will be the probable question they will be asking during the interview time, because it is very first time that you are very new to this sector. You are suppose applying for a job seeker visa, and your first time you are going for a visa, and you don't know what exact question they will be asking for the first time. You may not know that what will be the probable answer. You do not know what will be the things that if you become suppose if you become like a little bit of tensed, you cannot answer properly. You have to become very aggressive towards your answer. Should be very short and simple, but that should be properly answerable. It is not that you are stammering in front of your embassy office. Embassy office will always check out if your answer is proper and you are confident enough. Suppose they will be asking you, if you don't find job, what will happen, then your answer should be like that: I will be returning back to my country, because Germany is a big country and I have to have my just experience. I am going only for experience. I want to have my available experience, and this would be the answer. You can see, you can tell to the embassy officer. And that is also main thing, that you can also answer in short and brief. Your answer should be very brief, not so like that very long answer, because you will be having not much time whenever you will be applying for job seeker visa in the interview time. You will be having very less time. So basically, for getting things done, you have to become very smart, very short and brief, like very keep it short and simple. This method has to be applied when you are applying. And first of all, and this company, they are providing your all these things, that like your interview process, like that. Also, one of the most important thing that I'd like to share you, the company also provide you job until you are there. Because suppose you first time when you will be there for the first time, you don't know the offices. You will be contacting with this office directly to that place. You can go to the place and talk to the representative, because these people are very friendly and very helpful. I have talked personally with them. I have found that they will continue to help you until you get a good job, and until you are satisfied. Because and also their reputation are very good in worldwide. I have already checked it out, that they are very friendly. The customer the people executive they are very friendly, they're speaking in good English, and so that you can understand properly, and they can also guide you. It is also that the chances of getting a good job is also very high, because Germany is very developed country. There are chances of good job, because already aging population there. There is a good scarcity of good worker. So if you are already there with a good skill like IT, like medicine, like management or engineering background, you are from if you are from the engineering background, if you are from medical science, if you are from other sector like media and publishing, like digital marketing, online marketing, these types of jobs are very in boom sector. They're very booming. Right now in Germany is booming with this type of jobs. And also I would like to suggest you that if the medical science, there scarcity of doctors are also there, because if you are a doctor, if you have completed medical science MBBS, or if you have completed BTech, if you have completed a good course from IT, then you can also apply. These are the chances of getting a good job there is very high, and also with a big good salary. It is not that you are, and also lifestyle are very high, very good there. Lifestyle are very good, because I have also seen many people. They have given their feedback. They are very happy. They are staying there because and also communication is very good. Communication are very nice. That it is not like that. It is you have to go for a long journey night, like, because everywhere you can have your own place. Like people from lots of people from all over the world, they are working there for the long term. Because experts, if you are already there, if you once you reach there, you will find that there are many people they are working there as expat. So, but they are also happy, and also very good chance. Okay, my friends, I'll be happy if you write some comments in the comment box. Also, my English pronunciation was also not good, so I'm trying to just give you some little bit of good things that can be helpful for you. Okay, and you must subscribe to my channel, and I'll be giving you more and more YouTube, so that you can become an good in that particular sector. And you can also, there is also box, if you want to contact with them, you can also box, and if you want to contact, there is a contact us box. And for more information, you can write in my comment box. I will be happy to answer you all the questions. Okay friends, okay, and have a nice day. I think this YouTube tutorial like job visa will help you. And if you have an inquiry, you can also mail, write in the comment box. Okay, okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.